and there seems to be heightened security here, and the Delhi police on high alert on the day of Chakka Jam. Remember, this is the first big protest that is happening post the incident of 26 January. Akshay Dongre on the phone line with us. Akshay, tell us more.
In the national capital, and despite the farm union leaders reiterating that there is not going to be any kind of Chakka Jam inside Delhi, any kind of protest inside the national capital, despite all of these reassurances, it seems that Delhi police is not leaving any stone unturned. As far as the security is concerned, not only here where I am standing, as you can see, police is deployed. There are cranes that have been brought by the police. So the police is not taking any chances, and across the national capital at several patches there are similar kind of security arrangements that have been made. As you can see, this is the bus which is parked here, has a lot of police officials inside, police personnel inside. This crane that you see is also another arrangement by the cops to ensure that if there is any kind of movement inside the national capital, be it the farmers walking or be it the tractors or trolleys being brought in, they are fully prepared for any kind of eventuality. However, that has caused to a lot of traffic jams in certain areas because barricades have been brought, they have been pulled. The traffic is very, very slow, so that has in fact created some kind of traffic jam situation across the national capital. But the bigger question here is that if the farm union leaders have already reiterated that there is not going to be any kind of protest except the protest sites where it is already happening outside the national capital. Fear as far as the cops are concerned, maybe it's just that the police is not trying to leave any loose ends as far as the security arrangements are concerned.
All right, Akshay Dongre there describing what the scenes at the borders are looking like at this point. The pictures on your screen are of the Loni border in Uttar Pradesh, another connection point between UP and the national capital. You see several drones there as well doing the rounds. And this is how the Delhi police is keeping a check on how exactly this Chakka Jam, like I said, the biggest protest so far since 26 January that has been planned out at the moment by the farmers union is to take place. Now, security has been tightened. There are, despite the fact, now the thing to remember here is that the farmers union have said that there will be no blockades, no Chakka Jam inside the capital, inside on the streets, so that there is no inconvenience caused to the people here of Delhi and of the national capital region. However, despite that, the police is taking no chances at this point, and you see them all dressed up in riot gear. There are water cannons, big cranes and other security measures, even tear gas shelling as you see them hanging on their shoulders over there, all set up in place to take on any adverse sort of a situation at the moment. What we do know that is that this is going to be a 3-hour-long Chakka Jam only, from 12 noon to 3 p.m. And at 3 p.m. is when the farmers say they will be blowing the horns of their tractors to actually call it off. So at the moment, it seems like it is going to be observed in a very peaceful way. But like we said, it's a huge umbrella organization, the Bharatiya Kisan Union, and how it goes on will be very closely watched. Of course, the preparations have been unprecedented, not just drones that you see on your screen, but nails being cemented on the ground as well to ensure none of the tractors, none of the protesters actually enter the national capital region.